Elon Musk's creation has captured people's attention, transformed industries, and has the potential to completely alter the landscape of your investment portfolio. Prepare to witness a financial phenomenon that is so combustible it is causing waves in the stock market, from the heart of Silicon Valley to the furthest limits of the global marketplace. Put on your seatbelts and buckle up as we traverse the UPS and downs of Tesla's stock climb, which saw it hit an amazing $300. We will look at the reasoning behind this chart and what is driving investor excitement, the ingenious engineering, the possibility of eco-friendly transportation, or the enigmatic aura of its visionary boss. We'll divulge the trade secrets that, from gigafactories to hopes for autopilot, have made Tesla stock the most exciting thing in town. But before we go any further, would you please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for further updates. We are news about stocks and Tesla. Let's continue the video now that we've covered that. Seize the moment, since there is more to this fascinating topic of autonomous vehicles than first meets the eye. Now let's get started. These are 3 things you should think about. Let's start by talking about the important subject of safety. It is an undeniable truth that human drivers might surprise us with their surprising behavior on sometimes. The tragic truth is that 40,000 people lose their lives in auto accidents every year. Self-driving technology enters the scene with the intention of minimizing these tragic statistics as much as possible, as this disheartening statistic underscores the urgent need for change. The ultimate goal of self-driving technology is to radically transform road safety by safely and reliably navigating the highways. Now, shifting our attention to the field of technology, we find ourselves at an intriguing crossroads. Elon Musk's optimism suggests that we are undoubtedly moving toward fully autonomous vehicles, even though we may not be hurtling toward them just yet. He envisions a day when autonomous vehicles become a reality rather than merely a sci-fi fantasy, bringing in a new era of mobility. He hopes to accomplish the goal by year's end, suggesting that fully driverless vehicles might still be a ways off. But things get really intriguing when you look at it from a political perspective. Imagine if lawmakers took on the role of content creators, creating narratives that inspire people to act. And guess what? The self-driving cars are the show's stars. Tesla is a big player and in the spotlight right now, especially with the excitement around its stock performance lately. Speaking of stocks, Tesla has been in the headlines lately due to comments made by analysts and stock gurus over the company's future course. Don't write it off too soon, even though it may have had a recent dip. In the EV market, the company we were talking about is quite well liked, and it has a good chance of setting some very important records. Some of you may have noticed that Tesla's stock price has been trending downward recently, which could have caused investors to get concerned. It's only natural to want those advantages, right? Hold on though, because we have something really valuable to impart to you. Granted, if your goal is to immediately make a large fortune in the stock market, Tesla might not be your first pick. The worst thing is that it might be the biggest game changer of all time in the long run. We guarantee that it will have a significant impact and force you to reconsider your investing strategy. Okay, let's pan out a bit to look at the bigger picture. It hasn't been a set it and forget it market. Remember how the market changed following the July CPI report? Folks, this has really made us more aware. Energy is undoubtedly gaining prominence as seen by the rise of more than 100 energy-related stocks over their 200-day moving average. If that one isn't a technical purchase indicator, I don't know what else might be. We now pay more attention to the energy sector while still keeping an eye on technology. All it takes is taking the initiative and selecting industries that, in our opinion, will become industry leaders when the market catches up and expands. Now, think back to the intriguing remarks made by American financial manager and Tesla shareholder Ron Barron. You might recall that not too long ago, he made some quite bold predictions regarding Tesla. Ron Barron, the CEO of Barron Capital Management, shared his massive long-term Tesla expectations. That story is really interesting. Barron's firm proved that persistence and smart decision-making can pay off in the stock market when it generated an astounding 20-fold return on its $380 million investment in Tesla back in the day. Since 2014, when Tesla's shares were selling for a pathetic $40 each, Barron has been an enthusiastic supporter of the business. Their investment has increased over time to produce a staggering $6 billion in profit. Barron's multiple bullish predictions for Tesla's shares show how much of a fan he is of the company. Seasoned stock analysts know that Tesla isn't your average company, as evidenced by the fact that it is one of his top 10 holdings. Now let's talk about the reasons why investors still believe that Tesla will succeed. Over the years, millions of EVs have been created by this electric car powerhouse. Tesla is a company with immense potential since it has been outperforming most of its competitors in ways that they could never have imagined by scaling up its car manufacturing to unimaginable heights. Investing in companies that can outperform the economy and confront market challenges head-on is a smart move, and Tesla seems to be a great fit. naturally, but a word of caution, remember that like any other endeavor, losses and fluctuations are a regular part of investment. The shares of Tesla may be impacted by market changes. Prepare yourself as we now examine the fascinating reasons for Tesla's stock rise and possible returns in the future. Though the path may be hard, the journey seems to be one heck of a ride. As you can see, Barron believes that Tesla will succeed. This is no average electric car company, rather, it has the potential to become the market leader in EVs and produce large returns for its investors. In a recent interview, Barron shared his realistic assessment of Tesla's trajectory. He estimated that throughout the next 10 years, investors' money might increase by a factor of 3 to 5. He even painted a clear picture of Tesla perhaps surpassing all other businesses by then. Barron's forecasts seem reasonable considering his vast experience in the financial sector, don't they? Keep in mind that given the company's current growth boom, Barron's projections might not be too far off, as Tesla is currently valuing up at the big boys. So you might be wondering how all of this magic is supposed to happen. Undoubtedly, Tesla is distributing its resources elsewhere. In addition to producing those incredible electric vehicles, the company is pursuing a number of other ventures. Think solar products, energy storage devices, batteries, artificial intelligence, and self-driving technology. Eventually, Tesla's valuation will be based on the framework provided by these diverse enterprises. Without a doubt, Tesla has encountered some difficulties, especially in the intricate world of supply chains. Indeed, a number of factors, including inflation and manufacturing problems, have the potential to seriously upset the financial system. In actuality, these headlines aren't giving ardent Tesla backers nightmares. They are long-term players who have an eye toward the future and the company's capacity for growth and dominance. One of the key ingredients in Tesla's secret sauce is its competitive advantage. What is that, you ask? It all boils down to what sets Tesla apart from its rivals, and as it happens, that difference is their rapid innovation culture. Check out the most recent changes and unanticipated projects. Tesla has the know-how and experience to take on some pretty astounding problems, ranging from electric cars to battery technology. Think about Tesla's complete driving potential. Sales and the number of customers for Tesla are predicted to rise as a result of this groundbreaking innovation. As technology develops, people are drawn to solutions that make their lives easier. Tesla's FSD feature is one such choice. Every owner of an electric vehicle will appreciate how much safer and less stressful driving is. Well, that's all for now, folks. Thank you for viewing this thought-provoking film in which Ron Barron shares his unique insights and discusses the potential of Tesla. Now it's your turn. Do you think Tesla can rule the electric vehicle market? In your perspective, how will their competitive edge affect their future? And what are your thoughts on the long-term investment game? Your opinions on the matter would be much valued. If you could kindly leave a remark below, we can carry on the discussion. In addition, remember to click the like and subscribe buttons to get more Tesla news and financial advice. This is Stock News about Tesla. We value your time and look forward to seeing you soon.